Hello everyone, welcome back to Shomu's Biology. In this video, I am going to share a snapshot of what Shomu's Biology provide to our online coaching students, right? Those who join our online coaching program, what facilities that they receive. Shomu's Biology online coaching is all about power-packed lectures and huge amount of content. We always believe that content is king. The content is something that is very important for you to understand the basics as well as the advanced lectures, advanced areas which is going to help you clear and qualify the CSIR NET examination. So if for those people who always brag about like Shomu's Biology is charging 15,200, but believe me, after seeing this video you will be convinced that the amount that we charge is absolutely value for money considering the content that we provide. So without any further delay, let's get inside the content of our running batch this time, the December 2025 batch. And we keep on changing our content, we keep on adding content and updating content every single session. So right now, if I go inside the content section, what content you are going to get? You obviously get the recorded version of the live. So live classes are done, then the recordings are visible in here. And you can see our individual lectures are about 2 hours 56 seconds for the very first lecture. Only one lecture is done for this batch and approximately 3 hours of duration. So that is the duration of our actual online lectures, including question and answer Q&A portions. Every single lecture that we take, it has Q&A from the audience, Q&A from the aspirants. Also, it has PYQ explanations. Two separate PYQs are already there. Q&A and PYQs, both are there. Now, if you get inside this content folder, you are going to get online class routine. If I open it up, you can see this online classes routine. This is our routine for the December batch. I just scroll it through. You can see we conduct the classes in a very organized manner and we follow our routine strictly, right? So you know what classes you are going to be added, which dates the classes are going to be conducted and everything. So this is something, and if we miss any class by any reason, by any means, we are going to take an extra class to cover them up. And we time to time take extra classes. You can see just like here you have 1 extra class, 2 extra class, 3 extra class, 4 extra class, 5 extra class, 6, 7 extra classes to accommodate classes in this syllabus. Okay. Now we have list of topics covered. Now this is my favorite. So you can take a screenshot of the video. These are the topics that we cover in our CSIR NET syllabus in our coaching, and we provide this topic list. At Shomu's Biology, we remain transparent. We provide this topic list beforehand to our students that they should know what topics need to be covered and what we will cover in individual lecture. For example, this is the very first introductory lecture. Then we have unit 6, there will be unit 1. The 6 lectures are there in unit 1, and what we cover in lecture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, it's there. Then unit 2 have 4 lectures. What we will cover in all these 4 lectures are written. Unit 3 has 4 lectures, it is written. Unit 4 has 5 lectures, and the topics that we will cover in that lecture are all provided prior to the lecture so that you can prepare the basics of it. You can be in a pace to understand the lecture. So it is provided, it's much more organized and structured. That's what I meant to say. We provide CSIR NET high yield repeated topics PDF. Now this PDF gives you an idea about the different units out there and which topic of individual units are the most important, means most repeatedly asked question for the last 5 to 6 CSIR NET question papers. And here we see for unit 1, for unit 2, for unit 3, for unit 4, for unit 5, for unit 6, for all the units it is written whether the repeated frequency is very high, moderate to high or moderate. Okay, it's written. For example, for unit 10, for unit 11, for all the 13 units we provide this PDF separately. Then what else? We have study plan. And now in the study plan, this is a unique feature from Shomu's Biology. We offer study plan, customized study plan to our students. Okay, we know there are students who can devote 8 to 10 hours a day and they can qualify the exam within 6 months. So for them we have a 6-month study plan, and for those students who can only devote 6 hours a day, 4 to 6 hours a day, they need to devote at least a year. We believe in reality rather than delusion that we should not say any student that you can qualify the exam within 6 months if you devote only 2 hours a day. It's not possible. So either 1 year study plan or 6 month study plan. We have this detailed study plan for our students. It is written exactly which units to be prepared, where to prepare, and every single step of the preparation of individual units. It is clearly mentioned for all the different 13 units. We mentioned that. We also provide them with a routine of how to study, exactly time by time routine for the 6 month study plan, as well as we have the same thing for a 1 year study plan with a detailed routine with how to utilize the resources. And the resources that we provide, the marathon lectures we provide, master ebook we provide, blueprint of life science hard copy book we provide, PYQ explanation book we provided, and advanced lecture videos we provided, advanced lecture notes we provided. All these contents we provided, and not only just we provide the content, but we also explain when to use them, where to use them, how to use them. And that is the responsibility of a coaching institute, and that is what we are doing here. Then we have study guide videos for all the 13 units. We have 13 units. For 13 units we have 13 videos on study guide, approximately 10 minutes in length, explaining how to approach studying one particular unit over the other. That is clearly explained in the study guide video. Then we have these lecture PowerPoints. For all the 13 lectures we have PowerPoints, and the PowerPoints that are used to explain topics in the class already provided to our students. Okay, for all the 13 units will be there. We also have lecture notes. For all the lectures that we will conduct, we will provide notes. Running lecture notes. Yes, if you join Shomu's Biology, you don't need to do the hard work of even take down your notes from the lectures, because we do that for you. So the lectures once uploaded, once it is done, then we see the lecture, we write down notes, and we provide you the note. For example, one lecture is done yet, that is the introductory lecture, and the note for that lecture is already uploaded. And this is the lecture note for the introductory lecture. The topics that we discussed regarding our target and strategy for the NET examination is written in here. So this kind of similar lecture notes will be provided for individual lectures. Once the lecture is done, the note will be uploaded in here. Okay, and this is going to be very, very much helpful. Okay, and what else we have? We have uploaded CSIR NET syllabus. We have uploaded the book list, the books to follow for the CSIR NET preparation for all the units. You see, unit 1 to unit 13, it's written as a module 1 to module 13, but 13 unit preparation notebooks, the ebooks that we provide. And we also provide these ebooks, soft copy version of that in your email address if you join. And we have general study plan, right, for all the students. If you are new to the preparation, you have a study plan. If you are new to the preparation, you have 6 months, you have a study plan. 1 year, you have a different study plan. If you already had some knowledge of the preparation, then we have a different study plan. Okay, so we have separate study plan for the students, and we provide them, and not only provide them, we explain them. And if we need to adjust the study plan a little bit for you, we will also do that for a personalized study plan guidance. What else you get? You get part A. So part A question papers, previous year's question papers of part A from 2008 to 2020, 2008 to 2018, and then from 2021 to 2025, you get all the question papers in that. So 2021 to 2024, because 2025 paper will be added once it is over. So all this is there, and also part A model question paper is also there, where we have question papers for your practice. Okay, so all these topics are there for paper 1 or part A. So we take care of the part A as well. And the two big lecture series for clearing your basics and the concepts of modern sciences, modern biology. And one is the marathon lectures. The marathon lectures is my brainchild. Basically, these are my YouTube lectures, but those YouTube lectures are stitched together for individual units. For example, for unit 1, we have 3-part marathon lecture. In part 1, 2 hours 35 minutes, part 2, 3 hours 14 minutes, and so part 1, 2 hours 33 minutes, part 2, 3 hours 14 minutes, and part 3, 2 hours 35 minutes. So approximately 8.5 hours of lectures for unit 1. If you go to unit 2, it will be approximately again 8.5 hours of marathon lecture. So marathon, why we call it marathon? Because marathon is a big run, long run. So these lectures are of 6 hours, 8 hours long, which will help you to build your basics of any subject for all the 13 units. It is present in here, right? It is readily available to spoon feed you, and you don't need to do anything. You just need to read. That's all, because we cannot do that for you. If you can do that for you, we should have done that, believe me. But we cannot just sit and read all these things for you, because you are the one who will be attending the exam. So apart from that, everything is ready made, readily available at your disposal. What else you have? We have animated lecture series where we have animations of 12, all the units animations are out there except for unit 7 and 9, because we don't need the animation. We use animation for unit 7 during the class itself. So apart from that, we have so total here you can see multiple, like 11 different video series for animated lectures, and those are almost 2 hours to 3 hours long animated lectures. These animated lectures are going to help you visualize concepts, especially the concepts from unit 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 units are the mother units, and one need to prepare these mother units very clearly, and you can do that only with the help of animations. You will understand molecular biology, cell biology, biochemistry and immunology with the help of animations. Even genetics, part of the molecular genetics, will be very well understood with the help of these these animated lectures. So we provide the animated lectures, and remember, these animated lectures, marathon lectures, these lectures which are available, as a student, once you get into there, you can save them offline inside the application so that you can rewatch it anytime without consumption of internet. That's how our app is designed, because these are bigger lectures, it consumes data, we understand. So you can mark it offline and you can watch it offline later whenever you require it, and you can watch it in the fast speed, slow speed, it is your choice. And there is no limitation of number of views or a number of times for that. 2 years validity for everything that is out there. You can see all these things that you got. The validity of all these things will be there for 2 years. Yes, 2 years. Now consider the price of 15,200. 5 hard copy books delivered to your address. All this content will be there for 2 years. Imagine the amount that you paid for. You might get a coaching for 7,000 or 8,000 rupees, but that will be for 6 months, believe me, and without the books. So no books, 6-month coaching for 8,000 is much expensive compared to a coaching charging 15,200 for 2 years of validity of all its content with 5 hard copy books delivered to your address. I think all of you wise enough to understand who is providing value for money, and our price is fixed for the last 5 years. We haven't changed our price. Pre-COVID also we charge 15,200, still we charge 15,200. Our content get doubled by that time, but we haven't increased our charges. Okay, so EdTechs might give you a 4,000 rupees coaching, but just put your brain to it one thing. A 4,000 rupees coaching facilities will never ever even come close to compete with a coaching with 15,200. As Shomu's Biology has sustained for this last 5 years competing with the biggest edtech companies in India, we still get our target fulfilled. We still get to teach the number of students we want to teach at the price point of 15,200. That means there are students who are paying this amount to join us. That means we provide something that they haven't got from other places. We know people who joined other places and then came back to us and they joined us and said that we lost our money in the other places. Now when they join us, they got all the contents for 2 years and they get the benefit. So if you think that these facilities are something that you are looking for, the ready-made lecture notes, the ready-made lecture handouts, and also one more thing that is added here is the DPP, daily practice questions, daily practice papers. Will be adding that too, and by the time you join, we'll be adding, because right now we haven't completed any unit, that's why we haven't uploaded it yet. But once a unit is done, then the question paper, practice question paper for that unit will be uploaded so that you can practice, and those papers are with answer with explanations. Yes, answer with explanations, remember that. This is there. Test series will be included. It is not showing here because the test is not conducted yet. Once we cover one unit, then only the test will be conducted. So you can also see that here as well. So I believe, like, I don't want to justify, I think that you all are intelligent enough to understand what we are providing and just compare it with the other places. If you are getting all of it like this way, the strategies and everything for this validity period of time, and the payment is 15,200 and lesser than that, you join there. But if it's not, then you are screwed. You are being misdirected. We don't want you to misdirect, because generally on an average a student requires 1 year, 1.5 years to qualify the exam. So 2 years validity will come very handy to all of you. Okay, so if you wish to join Shomu's Biology, then contact us at 9804654228, website www.shomusbiology.com. Download our Shomu's Biology application. But if you download it, you will not see these things until unless we add you to the batch. So you contact us over WhatsApp. Once you pay the amount of admission fee, you join, we generate your profile, we add you to the batch, then only you can see these things. Only the paid candidates can see all this section of the CNOC December 2025 batch. The batch admission is going on, so contact us if you want to join. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.